Taking a look at the trading week beginning October 7th, we're going to keep an eye on rates because there was a big rates jump this week, and rate expectations have changed now after having dropped by low double digits through the month of September in all significant durations except the 30-year. We've now erased all of that monthly drop in a week. You look at the change last week, the 2-year yield rose to 391, that's up 36 basis points. The 5-year yield rose to 380, up 30 basis points. The 10-year 397, up 22 basis points. And the 30-year 4.26%, up 16 basis points. And the steepened 2s10 spread, which was at positive 20 at the end of last week, is now up at only positive 6. So that's a big shift in that yield curve spread. We have a lot of Fed speak next week, and we also have some bond auctions. And that coincides with the Fed minutes from the last meeting being released as well, and it's the week after a strong jobs number in the U.S. The list of speakers begins with Minneapolis Fed President Neel Kashkari, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic twice, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly, we get New York Fed President John Williams, and we also get Fed Governor Michelle Bowman. We also have the release of the Atlanta Fed GDP Now figures, as well as a 3-year auction, a 10-year auction, and a 30-year bond auction, all happening next week. Taking a look at earnings and data, the new earnings season begins this week with 14 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, BlackRock, Pepsi, Delta Airlines, Domino's Pizza, and Tilray Brands. Also, Applied Digital, by the way, is also releasing earnings next week. In terms of data, household spending in Japan and the minutes from the last Reserve Bank of Australia meeting come out on Monday. Tuesday, German industrial production and U.S. trade balance figures. Wednesday, minutes from the last FOMC meeting. That'll be important. Thursday, minutes from the last ECB meeting and U.S. CPI. That will also be critically important with the rate jump that we had last week, as well as having U.S. jobless claims. And then Friday, German CPI, U.S. PPI, and new Michigan consumer sentiment data in the U.S.